Okay, here we go. The Russian folk song, a really beautiful song. Um, Looking here, nothing really new. I think just a good song. Um, and let's look at our fingerings. Well, maybe a little bit of a different. We have our third finger on E, and looks like they want our first finger, like so, on B. So that's like kind of like a B C kind of a position, right? Okay, so now from the beginning, 1, 2, ready, go. E, 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 D, D, C, C, B, A, E, 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 D, D, C, C, B, A, B, 2, 3, C, D, D, C, C, B, A, B, 2, 3, C, D, D, C, C, B, A. And now, hands in position with singing to ready, go. And children dancing round and round the birch tree. Children dancing round and round the birch tree. Beat 2, 3. Dancers circle, clap, clap.